Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the lecturer vacancies notification from the two government degree colleges. So it is a wonderful opportunity, guys. Here the opportunity is there for the UGC NET candidates and the non-UGC NET candidates also, and the selection will be based upon the direct interview. So let us see the details regarding both these two government degree colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, out of the two government degree colleges, it is the first government college that we are going to see. The University of Kerala, Department of Mathematics. Here the walk-in interview for the eligible candidates for preparing a panel of guest lectures for engaging the following subjects of MSc Mathematics with Finance and Computation. So the Commerce and Computer Science they are asking, and the date and time of interview, Commerce 10:30 a.m. on 15 December 2020, and the Computer Science afternoon 2 o'clock on 15th December 2020. Coming to the qualifications, for the Commerce, MCOM with 55% of marks is mandatory. NET or PhD is desirable. That means it is not the essential, guys. So if you are having only MCOM with 55% of marks, then you can attend. No need of compulsion of the NET or the PhD. The same thing for the Computer Science also. MSc with 55% of marks, NET or PhD is the desirable, not the mandatory. Okay, and the number of posts are Commerce 1 post and Computer Science 1 post is there, and the retirement hands with age not exceeding 60 also can be considered for the post. And coming to the remuneration, 500 rupees per hour for those who with the NET or PhD, and 450 rupees hour for those who without NET or PhD. So a detailed biodata and all original documents with one full set of copies should be produced at the time of interview, and the selected candidates will be informed by the email or phone. Okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are interested in this notification, guys. So NET or PhD is not the mandatory here. So MCOM or MSc with 55% of marks, and here you can directly go for the interview. Okay, it is a walk-in interview, and the remuneration is also mentioned here. Okay, and the selection will be based upon the walk-in interview. That's it. And now while coming to the second college, that is the University of Kashmir, Srinagar, advertisement notice for engagement of contractual lecturers for the academic arrangement for the academic session 2021. So applications on the prescribed format, which can be downloaded from the university website, are invited for engagement of contractual lecturers on academic arrangements in the following departments of the main campus for the academic year 2021. And the candidates possessing NET, SET or PhD in the relevant subject or discipline with minimum 55% marks at postgraduate level are eligible to apply for the post. So for this university, the post graduation with NET, SET or PhD is necessary. Here the huge departments are there, so the candidates who are having the required qualifications, so please utilize this opportunity, guys. Huge departments are there, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and help them. So the School of Social Sciences, the School of Arts, Languages and Literature, School of Education and Behavioral Science, School of Physical and Mathematical Sciences, School of Earth and Environmental Sciences, and School of Biological Science, School of Applied Science and Technology, and the School of Business Studies. Okay, So total these are the different departments are there, and different schools are there, and below this one here the different specializations are also mentioned here, so you may check down. So if you belongs to any one of these one and having the post graduation plus UGC NET or SLET or PhD is there, then you may apply to this one, guys. And coming to the details, the desirable qualifications in the following subjects are given. So these are all the desirable qualifications, guys. Okay, so you may check down for this one. So for your reference purpose, I will provide both the PDF links in the description box of this video. So you may check down carefully, guys. Okay. So, and coming to the essential qualifications are also mentioned. So you may check down for all the different departments here. And salary of the appointees shall be paid on the basis of their qualification, and candidates in their own interest are advised to be in touch with the deans of concerned schools about the date, venue and the time of interview. So here also the selection will be purely based upon the interview. Application forms complete in all respects and attached with relevant documents should be deposited in the offices of the concerned deans of the schools at the University of Kashmir, Srinagar on, by or before 5th December 2020. Okay. So it is an advertisement of the lecturer vacancies recruitment from the University of Kashmir, and second one is the University of Kerala. So the candidates in your circle or in your friends or colleagues, okay, if anybody looking for such type of opportunities, please share this video to them, guys. It will be very helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.